Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome back to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about subtracting polynomial. So, let's proceed to our video tutorial on how to subtract polynomials. Alright, okay, let's proceed to our next example. So for example, we're going to subtract these two polynomials. So our first polynomial is x squared minus 8x plus 11. And our second polynomial is 8x cubed plus x squared minus 5x minus 9. So in subtracting polynomials, first thing that we need to do is to apply the distributive property. And we have to distribute the negative sign, the operation, to our second polynomial. So applying distributive property, multiplying each term by negative 1 or the negative sign. So this second term will become negative 8x cubed minus x squared plus 5x plus 9. Okay, that will be our second polynomial. Then, after applying the distributive property, we will proceed to combining like terms. So let's rewrite our polynomial in a way that we can put the similar terms together. So here, we will have our first polynomial, that is x squared minus 8x plus 11. And we're going to align it with our like terms. So after writing our first polynomial, we will pair our second polynomial to its similar term. Negative 8x cubed doesn't have any partner, so we will place it here. Negative 8x cubed. Okay? Negative x squared, since it has a partner x squared, we will place it below x squared. Okay? 5x will be placed below negative 8x, so plus 5x. And then positive 9 will be placed below positive 11, so plus 9. Alright. Then, like I said, since we're going to combine like terms, the operation that we're going to use will be addition. So we're going to add like terms. So let's start first with negative 8x cubed. Since it doesn't have any partner, we will just bring it down. Negative 8x cubed. Next, x squared plus negative x squared. So 1 plus negative 1 or 1 minus 1. That will be 0. So we will just write here 0. Okay? Or we can just simply cancel or cross out x squared and x squared. Or x squared and negative x squared. Okay, next, let's proceed to negative 8x plus 5x. So, negative 8 plus positive 5, since they have different sign. Copy the sign of the larger number. In this case, it is negative. And then subtract our coefficient. 8 minus 5. That will be 3. And then copy the variable x. So it will be negative 3x. Next is 11 plus 9. So copy the sign. And then add. So 11 plus 9, that will be 20. So our final answer will be negative 8x cubed minus 3x plus 20. And that is it. Ta-da! Alright, now that you already know how to subtract polynomials, it is your turn to try this. And if you're done answering our practice exercise, feel free to leave your final answer in our comment section below so that I can see and check your work. If you need more time to answer this practice exercise, feel free to pause the video so that you can copy our practice exercise. Alright, and that is it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that is it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.